Hi, we're back reviewing for the Chem 4 final. And this section is going to be on your two life-saving equations that are going to help you over and over again in Chem 4. And the two life-saving equations are, you're going through a problem and all of a sudden you get stuck. You know the formula, but you can't figure out how to get something in the formula. It's going to be one of these two equations. Equation number 1. To figure out moles of a compound, take the mass or the weight of the compound you have and divide it by the molar mass. The molar mass we get from adding up all of the atomic masses from the periodic table. We'll do that in a problem coming up soon. Moles equals mass over molar mass. If you're stuck and you need mass, or you have moles, or moles and you need mass, this is your lifesaver. Now we can rearrange that formula. Both of these formulas can be rearranged countless ways. So for moles, it's moles equals mass over grams. Well, what if we need mass? We could say mass equals moles times molar mass. Depending on your teacher, they'll use different symbols, but generally for moles, it's a small n, and for molar mass, it's that strange-looking U, and mass varies. Well, we could use moles equals mass over molar mass. We could say mass equals moles times molar mass, and we can even rearrange it to say molar mass equals mass in grams divided by moles. Very versatile equation. That's lifesaver number 1. Moles, mass, molar mass. Lifesaver number 2 is our density formula. If you see density in a problem, you're going to need this formula. Density equals mass over volume. We can rearrange this too. If you see density in a problem, but maybe you need the volume, you could rearrange it to say the volume equals mass divided by density. Density is usually a small d. So we could solve for density as mass over volume. We could solve for volume as mass over density. And we could solve for mass in this by saying density times volume. You'll see me refer to these two lifesavers throughout this course because they're going to show up over and over again. You're going to see me use them, the two lifesavers, in our colligative equations, like blood pressure, wrong course, like osmosis, freezing point, boiling point. We're going to use the two lifesavers in colligative problems, freezing point, boiling point. You're going to see us use them in the concentration equations, like molarity, molality, and mass percent. And you're going to see us use them in the gas laws, Raoult's law and Henry's law. So memorize these two, because you're going to need them. Time? How much time do I have left, Annie? Well, I've lost my sister, so I'm going to cut here, and we're going to go into video number 3, where we start to talk about concentrations of solution, and our first type of concentration is molarity.